Namaste. Engineering Mathematics Module Differential Calculus 2. Question: expand sin x in power of x minus pi by 2 up to 4th degree terms. So first we have to write the Taylor's expansion of y of x. Taylor's expansion of y of x about x equal to pi by 2 is given by, actually this is x minus pi by 2 aita. X minus pi by 2 equal to 0, so then x equal to pi by 2. Okay, so x equal to pi by 2 is given by, so y of x equal to y of a. So x minus a equal to 0, so a is pi by 2. Okay, so y of a is pi by 2 plus x minus a is pi by 2, y1 of pi by 2 plus x minus pi by 2 whole square divided by 2 factorial, y2 of pi by 2 plus x minus pi by 2 whole cube divided by 3 factorial, y3 of pi by 2 plus x minus pi by 2 to the power of 4 divided by 4 factorial, y4 of pi by 2. Okay. Next, so find out the y of pi by 2, y1 of pi by 2, y2 of pi by 2. Okay. Here in the problem, y of x equal to sin x. Next, y of x is pi by 2 equal to sin pi by 2. So sin pi by 2 is 1. Next, y1 of x. So y1 of x anta helidre differentiation of sin x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Next, so y1 of pi by 2 equal to cos pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 is 0. Next, y2 of x. y2 of x. y2 of x means differentiation of this y1 of x with respect to x. So cos x ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus sin x. Minus sin x. Next, y2 of pi by 2. So equal to minus sin pi by 2. So equal to minus 1. Next, y3 of x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ already minus ಇದೆ, minus ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. Differentiation of y2 of x is y3 of x. So differentiation of sin x is cos x. So then y3 of pi by 2 equal to minus cos pi by 2. So that is equal to 0. Next, y4 of x equal to y4 of x is differentiation of y3 of x with respect to x minus as it is. So differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So equal to minus minus plus sin x. It implies y4 of pi by 2 equal to sin pi by 2. So that is 1. Stop here. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಾಕು, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ತನಕ ಸಾಕು, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ y of x is sin x. sin x ಇದು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಇದು. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 in 1 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ sin x equal to y of pi by 2. Y of pi by 2 is 1 plus y1 of pi by 2 is 0. ಬರೆಯೋದೇನು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. 0 into anything is 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ x minus pi by 2 whole square divided by 2 factorial is 2 y2 of pi by 2. So y2 of pi by 2 is minus 1. Next plus y3 of pi by 2 is 0. So 0 into anything is 0. So no need to write. Okay. So coming to here, x minus pi by 2 to the power of 4 divided by 4 factorial is 24. y4 of pi by 2, y4 of pi by 2 is 1. So next sin x equal to 1 plus minus x minus pi by 2 whole square divided by 2 plus this into 1 is same ide, x minus pi by 2 to the power of 4 divided by 24. That's the answer. Okay. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Expand sin x in power of x minus pi by 2 up to 4th degree terms. We need to evaluate y of x equal to sin x and its successive derivatives at x equal to pi by 2. So y of pi by 2 equal to andre y of x equal to sin x. Y of pi by 2 is sin pi by 2, so that is 1. Next y1 of x ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ರೈತಲ್ಲ. y1 of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ sin x, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ cos x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಿಗೆ pi by 2 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. cos pi by 2 is 0. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ y2 of x equal to minus, ಸೊ cos xಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ minus sin x. ಸೊ y2 of pi by 2 equal to minus sin pi by 2. ಸೊ sin 90 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ. y3 of x ಅಂದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. sin xಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ cos x. y3 of pi by 2 ಮೈನಸ್, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, cos ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. x ಅಂದರೆ pi by 2 equal to 0. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು y4 of x, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. cos xಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ sin x. minus minus plus sin x. So y4 of pi by 2 equal to sin pi by 2, so that is 1. Thus y of x equal to y of pi by 2 plus x minus pi by 2 y1 of pi by 2 plus x minus pi by 2 whole square divided by 2 factorial. This is for Taylor expansion of y of x about x equal to pi by 2 is given by. Okay. Next ಎಲ್ಲ substitution ಮಾಡಿ final answer ಇದು. Okay. Thank you so much.